Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Techmore. Here I am with HTML CSS tutorial. I am using Micromedia Dreamweaver for making a website templates or making website HTML and CSS. Micromedia Dreamweaver is a web design app that best serves professional incorporating multimedia elements. It provides us many kind of language like HTML, Core Fusion, PHP, ASR, VB scripts, ASP.NET, JavaScript, XML, and many more. You can see it. Okay, we are going with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is designed to display in a web browser. It defines the meaning and structure of web content you display on website. I am here to tell you what is HTML, what is HTML tags and attributes. First of all, I am going with tags. HTML tags are used to indicate the beginning and ending of HTML document. Your tags, like I'm going to tell like a body tag. Here is a list of many tags. You can see a lot of tags. I'm going with body tag. Body tag is a basic tag in which is used to display your text on content, your images, and each and everything, the content you want to display on website. Okay, tags opening. This is opening tag, and while I am pressing angular bracket with a backward slash, this is it automatically generate the ending tag. Like you see, ending tag, it is now I am going to angular bracket and pressing backward slash. It automatically encloses the tag. Okay, what is HTML attribute? HTML attributes are modifiers of an HTML element types. Okay, there are special words used inside the opening tag to control behavior of the element. There are around 170 HTML attributes. I know. Okay, many attributes you can see. First tag is HTML tag. HTML tag is a opening tag and it is a closing tag. It's open starting in the beginning of your website and it close at the ending of your website. Okay, head tag is used to display about HTML, about your content, about your website. Like title, its name. I'm going to give it a title as my website. Let me do this. My website. Okay. I give it a title, my website. In the body tag is a most important tag of HTML CSS language. Body tag is used to display all the content you want to display on your website. Like I am let me give you example. I am going to display a heading size. You have many of headings like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. H1 is a bigger and smallest. Okay, you have many. You have almost six headings. I am using H1 tag. Okay, I am going into set name. Okay, and angular bracket and slash. Enter. I am going to display my name, such as my name is Laurel. Okay, my name is Laurel and I am good girl. Okay, and I'm displaying my name on my website. Let me check it. Okay, first of all, we have to save. If you don't save your file, it will not display on a internet. Over, and I am going to my untitled, no, my site, my website, and desktop. Save. Look at that. My name H1. I use H1, the bigger one, and my name is Larib. This is display the text which I write in the body. Okay, we'll meet in a next lecture. Say bye. Hope subscribe my channel, like it, share it with your friends to learn programming language. Okay, bye bye.